welcome back, Venom Squad. The video cut, unfortunately, but we are gonna continue to have that one in the intro. But anyway, I had it. I only opened up a Titan pack, so it's okay. All right, now we can continue this video. Normally, sorry that P turned into a crab, and that crab turned into a lot of talking, and then that talking turned into now. Whoosh. Where are we on now? Oh yeah, we're on number 16. But yeah, what did I say? Oh yeah, I said, in your opinion, which series do you think was better? The Empires and Puzzles or Supercard? Honestly, if you pick now, it's probably Supercard. By views, if you go by views, honestly, I enjoyed Empires and Puzzles a lot more. Is this the best series I had for a long time? It was always Madden, but now then it changed to this game. Then it changed to what was it? Supercard. What was it? I forget names really quickly. Oh yeah. Alright, we're doing good. This first video with face cam for Empires and Puzzles too. That's the weird thing. I just noticed that. It's the first video with face cam for Empires and Puzzles. Oh my god. If I know how to judge stuff, I know this is not a good move. It's hard to play with face cam on this game because you actually have to click, and I don't want to shake the camera even. Yeah, this game is always really satisfying though. Like when you do the screen, when the screen moves and stuff, like with the get like all these moves that are crazy. They're like awesome. It's like really cool. Alright, use yours. Dang it. That doesn't help me. Oh, that helps me. Okay. Arrows. Fire arrows at you fools. Fire arrows at you fools. Okay. There we go. That's good. That's good. I think that's good. I think that's good for now. I think that's good. Alright. Alright, now which move we do next? I think we do this one. Jeez. God, that smack! You smacked your face. That came out of nowhere. Mirror films, flams. What's up, fam? What's up, fangs? Honestly, I kind of like the what's up, fangs, and welcome back to another video. Or what's up, fangs, welcome back to another. Yeah, that's. I don't know. It's between. Honestly, I'm gonna do another vote. It's between what's up, fangs, welcome back to another video. What's up, Venom Squad? Welcome back. What's up, Venom Squad? Welcome back to another video. That's what I do now. I could change it to Fangs. It's a new intro. It's a new something that I don't think people have done. If you know someone that's done that, then tell me. If you don't, alright. 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 I need to focus on the game. Focus on the game. Focus on the game. This face cam is really high. Alright. Alright. Which one's next? This one? Yeah, I've got. Alright. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, I got you in my room. Boom, boom, I got you in my room. Boom, boom, I got you in my room. Boom, boom, I get you in my room. Boom, boom, I get you in my room. Boom, boom, I get you in my room. Boom, boom, I got you in my room. Boom, boom, I got you in my room. Oh yeah, I remember these. The dragons. The sick dragon. I don't kick nothing. You guys kick stuff. You guys kick stuff. That's better. That's actually a lot better. Okay, don't know what to do. Trying to get a good, like, win here, because this is not good. I want a fancy win. I want a fancy wing. That's what I was gonna say. I want a fancy wing. I want a fancy wing, man. You better give me my fancy wing. You gonna taste the wrath of awesomeness. Okay, they're half dead. That's not terrible. It's not bad. There we go. I can do that. Oh, that's a good one. Upside down cross. Satan, yes. Okay, I'm sorry. Satan, yes. I had to. It was an upside down cross. I had to. Maybe I did. Okay. Back to normal video. Satan, yes. I look up. Satan's not up. He's down. Satan, yes. Oh boy. Alright, well, whatever. Alright, which... We might lose here. Alright, I'm gonna use arrows, because I'm kind of getting a little bit nervous. You can see the nervousness on my face. You can definitely see the nervous on my face. You can definitely see the nervousness on my face. Okay. Alright, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's lose to these idiots. Alright. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. Calm down. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing amazing. We're doing good. It's gonna get better. We're doing good. I keep getting distracted. Dang it, man. Oh no. Arrows again? I think that would kill the one. Yep, you're dead. Bye-bye, loser! Yeah, I think we're gonna start doing this series a lot more, because this is fun. We won. We won. We won. We won. We won. We won! Okay. Cool, we won. Alright, out of storage, okay. What's this? One spot open. First ball of the day. My love. Fleshy. Well, I can't leave. My peeps. I kinda. Bad Bunny, if you were active / form. Look, right here. It's the war. It's the global. What are people saying? Hello guys, if anyone needs an alliance. Hugs day. Papa Bear. I killed that. Oh yeah. My sweet, the broken-hearted girl. Ha ha, ga. This is awesome. Kakawan Blacka. Bakla. Blacka, no, it's Bakla. Flesh, love. Fleshy. Grave Kaksakan. What I said was, hey, quit lurking and join. I see ya. Hey, KB. Barbie Bakla. Blue Wings, hello. Ah ha ha ha. Who's Fleshy? Who is Fleshy? What is this? This is the best stuff ever. Oh my god. Yo, sup, Flesh? I'm gonna tweet. Satan, yeah. No. Bless up, fam. Bless up, ham. Bless up, ham. This is awesome. This just turned this video so funny. I really want to change my name to Venomous Gamer YT or something on this game. But it's Gemini. It's still Gemini. I got that name in 2016. I had that name for 3 years. Got my ear. Ugh. A lot of wrath. Hey, Barbie. Barney Army. Nice glasses. Not working, Andy Lowell. Who's Andy? Hello, guys. Here. Dab. Hey, dab. Hey, I was gonna dab, but I'm not dabbing. At least play has started. Okay, we're done watching. This is awesome. Awesome. That was actually really cool. Alright. Can we train some heroes though? I'm gonna play another. I'm fun. I don't say fun. Fun. You don't say fun. I'm gonna play some more matches though. Yeah, let's use some 1-stars. Level them up, boy. God, my arm hurts. My arm hurts. Alright, let's go ahead. Oh, let's continue. We're almost done this one, so hopefully we can complete this one. Problem is, I have no idea what to call this video. That's the problem. With the Empires and Puzzles series, I never knew what to call the videos. Like, Empires and Poopies, that was a good one. I think the only one I did with the title was what was it? Oh man, I don't even know my own series. I don't even know my second best series. In my opinion, this is my best series. In your guys' opinion, probably gonna say Supercard. Maybe Madden. I don't know. We put Madden in it too if you want. I did a lot more episodes on Madden than anything else. Not even lying. Did a lot of Madden. I uploaded I think the most videos I ever uploaded on this channel in a day was probably 10. I uploaded 10 videos. 10 videos, dude. I uploaded freaking 10 videos a day, and they were terrible content. Literally, I don't even know how I got people to sub. I literally had 5 subs in like a week. I was like, oh my god. 5 people in the channel. My content was awesome. Yeah. And now I have literally 1,084 people that think my content is good. Good enough to subscribe at least. Also, part 2 of the... In like 6 months, we'll probably be doing a $400 opening? Or $500? Maybe? But no, get a lot of money. By the way, we're not rich. We're just bad with money. Like, really bad. But, it's okay. Because you guys get some good videos. You guys get some awesome videos. Get some sick ones. Get some sick ones in there. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh. Thanks, cops. Why did I do that? That was stupid. Why did I do that? Oh god, I already know what I'm doing for the thumbnail. That just gave me such good. I just got a good idea for the thumbnail. Oh boy. Guys, get ready for the thumbnail. It's gonna be one bad one. It's not gonna be that good. It's gonna be Problem is, I don't log in, but I do not log into this game, but I still get everything because my dad always logs in on this game and gets the stuff. So I'm pretty sure he opened up the free pack, the free summons. So no summons for this video. Oh, I know, it sucks. I know. Shut up. Oh boy, I'm sorry. Don't shut up. Don't. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I love you guys. Alright, this is going good. We're doing good. Getting back to the game. Stop talking about subs, and it's awesome that many people watch me. That's cool. Alright. Okay, I thought it ended. That's why I was raising my arm. But okay, fine, douchebag. Jesus. Oh man, I say some mean things, but really, I'm not mean. Ow, God, that hurt my finger. Also, I'm just gonna. Elena did the messages arrive to the front lines. What message? What message? Now I'm worried that you guys are gonna take that out of context. Please don't. Just really, please don't. Watch this till the end. Like, watch. Hopefully all you guys watched it, like, to this part. Hopefully. The message about the new tavern that we're about to open it's going to be great. Ha, well, that indeed is good news. I promise to spread the news. Out of storage? You don't have enough storage for additional iron? And your base is once your stronghold has finished upgrading? More building possibilities will unlock? Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully, what I said, I can't remember what I said, but it went on for like 6 minutes. Do not take that out of context. If you do, you are going to hate me. It's just the way you're saying. You can watch the videos. I'm not saying this to make you watch videos. Just saying, look at the videos. Go to the comments. You can see what he wrote. I was not being mean. When he wrote bad, I was like, what's bad? I didn't write nothing mean. I'm not calling him out. I'm just saying. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, Venom Squad. Please do not take this out of context.